Hey guys, welcome home to Safe Haven. So in today's video, we're going to run down the top 90s home decor trends, and particularly those top trends that can be found in Caribbean households like the one I grew up with. So if you want to take a walk down memory lane with me, let's go, keep on watching. Alright, so the first trend we want to talk about are those figurines that our mom had, or our grandma had, or great grandma had. All those shiny, glossy figurines. Like, I had so much growing up. My mom had a lot of them. And I remember I was like, break them all the time. And then you know what, guys? My mom just got up one day and she's like, okay, I'm getting rid of all of them. I'm just like, really? Do you know how many times I was cussed out for breaking those figurines? Okay, if you were cussed out for breaking one of those figurines, drop a comment down below and tell me. And I also want to put a disclaimer, this video is in no way bashing anyone. If you still have these things in your home, that's completely fine. Everyone's decor style is different. I'm just taking a walk down memory lane and remembering some of the things that I could see growing up in my home and in my grandma's home. So the next thing was the beaded curtain. Oh, the beaded curtain. The beaded curtain was a door. Okay, that was another version of a door. Some of them were wooden with wooden beads. Some of them were like these little crystal beads. Oh my god, I hated them because I was just like, get caught in them and bump in them beaded curtain there. Jesus, I never liked them at all. What was the purpose? What was the reason? What was the reason of those beaded curtains? Okay, like those beaded curtains scream 90s for sure. No, I think we can all attest to this. Our grandparents and even our parents covering the furniture with plastic. Yeah, that clear plastic that covered all the furniture, the couch, the dining room tables, the outdoor chairs. Oh my god. Like, did we ever really get to sit on the real couch itself? Nope. We sat on plastic for many, many years. And then the plastic would make a sound and you would sweat. Oh my god. You guys need to tell me in the comments down below, like, if you guys experience these things. I wonder if I'm me one. Am I the only one who experienced this? If your parents or your grandparents used to cover the couch with plastic, tell me in the comments down below so we can relate with our struggle, okay? Alright, now the fourth thing is something I think a lot of people still do as like souvenirs and stuff like that, but those refrigerator magnets. The apple, the banana, the orange, oh my god. There were so many. I never see those again these days. Only for like persons who use them for like travel souvenirs, like they went to Paris. You get a refrigerator magnet from Paris. But I see no one with those on their fridge now. And they were so popular. Like, remember my grandmother? She had the entire fruit basket on her fridge. Okay? The entire fruit basket. Those refrigerator magnets, they were doing too much, okay? Every Jamaican grandmother probably had this, an all yellow kitchen. No, you see, yellow in Jamaican household is a very special color, okay? Yellow everything. You see, once you talk about a kitchen in a Jamaican household, it's going to be yellow. You hear? All shades of yellow. Sunshine yellow. Sunshine yellow. Sunshine yellow. And I remember I used to work at a hardware store. That was one of the most popularly sold colors, sunshine yellow. Especially at the Christmas time when everyone was repainting and doing their touching ups. Sunshine yellow would sell out, okay? It's just tradition. 90s kitchen, sunshine yellow. 90s Caribbean kitchen, sunshine yellow. All right. Sixth trend we're going to talk about are those awful floral printed couches. Man, them take me back to a dark place. And the floral print was just so bad. It was like brown and green. Why? Like a beige floral print with green and why? Why? Why were we doing that to ourselves? Oh my gosh. Those floral print couches, and then them wrap the floral print couches with the clear plastic. Hey. No man. No, the floral print couch. And then remember when Kim wore that dress to the Met Gala and they were comparing her to the floral print couch? No. Honestly, even that dress brought back terrible memories, like traumatic experiences. I hate those floral print couches. Oh, how we have evolved. Oh, how we have evolved. No, you are not a Caribbean hot girl or a Caribbean auntie or a Caribbean trendsetter. It girl, if you didn't have 10,000 teddy bears on your bed. Comment down below if you are one of those persons with 10,000 teddy bears, stuffed animals on your bed with your pillows. So you have 5 pillows, 10 teddy bears, just layers, like you can't even see the headboard. You can't see the headboard. It was just so many teddy bears, and then you'd have a big bear. Oh God. No, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Those are some serious house trends. And listen, that was the hot girl trend, okay? The hot girl bedroom trend. You know how everybody have the tufted bed now? Well, everyone used to have teddy bears on their bed, like so many. And I mean adults, guys. I'm not talking little kids. I mean adults, okay? But that was definitely a trend in the 90s. All right, now this next trend, I can remember it vividly. I'm kind of traumatized. It's a good thing, you know, but it was a bit much for a house. If you had a painting in your home of Jesus and his disciples at the Last Supper, I remember that my grandmother had it. I'm a Christian, you know. I like Jesus. I like God. But it was just so much like you're in your living room and there's Jesus and his 12 disciples watching you, all the things you do, this big artwork, this big painting, and some people had like Mary on the wall. I'm like, this is a bit much for home decor. It's a bit much for home decor, all right? Like, and it was just this white Jesus all the time. Jesus just had the same look, like hair to hair, and they had the bread passing it over, and he was always in that red and blue eyes. The painting was a bit much for a living room, I'm not gonna lie. Now the last trend we're going to talk about, and I want you guys to be honest, do you still use this? The silky slipper sheets. Like, if you still have those silky sheets, comment down below. I'm calling you out. I'm calling you. See, when you drop on them sheet there, you could have slide right off of the bed. Slide right off. Them sheet there, silky. It's when you wake up and you sweat. Hey, bed wet up, you know. No. Those silky sheets. You ever see the ones with the heart in the middle of it? Oh my God. Like, those silky sheets are a trend, are a staple in Caribbean homes. I know people still have it now. Them silky sheets, I know still have them now. I am calling you out. Identify yourself. But man, those silky sheets were a vibe. You're never hot if you never have them silky sheets. You were not hot if you didn't have those silky sheets. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I just wanted to run down some trends that I remember from my childhood. You probably remember them too, those 90s trends, especially in the Caribbean homes. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me if you remember any of those trends, and tell me some other trends that I didn't remember, that you remember, you love, or you hated. Comment down below and tell me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So in today's tell me some other trends that I didn't remember, that